Hello and welcome. Today we will begin our end-of-year project. You will be creating a PowerPoint presentation called Top 5 Memories from 5th grade. To begin, you will open the project directions included in the assignment folder. The folder is named Grade 5 End-of-Year Project and it is a PDF file. The PDF file includes a description of the project, instructions for completion, and a scoring rubric. Once you have read the information, you can begin your presentation. Please follow the instructions in sequence. The end-of-year project, the directions begin with a description. There are 3 sets of instructions, numbers 1, 2, and 3. The first set is just setting up your slides. Number 2 is adding content to your slides. And then number 3 will be entering clip art, pictures, and other design details. Today we are only going to do numbers 1 and 2. Also included in the directions is the scoring rubric. Please review it so that you can earn as many points as possible. The total number of points available for this project is 12. 4 points for setting up the slides correctly, 4 points for the slide content, and also 4 points for sentences that are complete. Once you have reviewed the instructions and rubric, restore your document down and open a PowerPoint. Once the PowerPoint presentation is open, what I did was restore that down also so I can have the directions and my PowerPoint next to each other so I can refer to the instructions easily. The first thing I'm going to do is set up the slides. Slide number 1 by default is a title slide. That's exactly what I need according to my instructions, so I don't have to do anything for slide 1. For slide 2, I need a title and content slide. I'm going to go to New Slide, click on the arrow, and I get an array of possible slides. I'm going to choose title and content. I take my cursor and I click on title and content. That has inserted the second slide. For slide number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, I just need title slides, title only. So again, I'm going to click on the arrow and take my cursor and click on title only. That's number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I've just completed setting up my slides. I'm now ready to go on to the second part of the instructions. This is where I add content. So I'm going to need to go back to my first slide. I may need to rearrange my slides a little bit so I could see and work with them. I'm going to click to add title on my first slide. According to my instructions, slide number 1 says the title will be my top 5 memories from 5th grade. It's very specific. For a subtitle, you can choose anything you like. You can put your homeroom if you'd like. Some people might put best year ever. Next, I'm going to go to slide number 2. It says include your name and a picture of yourself from the files we created. My name is going to go up here in the title section. And to insert the picture, I'm going to go down to the icons. This one is insert picture from file. What you'll do is click on the icon, go to pictures, camera roll, and I'm going to use this picture. It's not a picture of myself, but it's just for inserting. When I want to insert it, I click on the picture I want to insert, and then I press the insert key and my picture is inserted into the slide. For number 3, I'm going to put memory. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's going to be number 5. Then I want to insert a text box. I'm going to go to Insert, Text Box. And here's where I will insert my text box, and now I can type whatever my memory is. I'm just going to put some letters in there to put a memory. Remember that when you are typing your memory, you need to begin with a capital letter, have a complete thought, and it needs to have a punctuation mark as well. I'm going to continue to the next slide, and this one is number 4. Notice that I'm numbering them in backwards order. Instead of starting with 1, I'm going from highest to lowest. You're going to end with the biggest, best memory from 5th grade. Again, I'm going to insert my text box, and I will insert whatever text I want for my memory. I'm going to continue that down to number 1. Once I finish setting up my slides and inserting all my memories, I can decorate and make my presentation appealing, but we'll do that on our next class. Please make sure that your sentences are complete and that you have followed the directions exactly as they are given.